First of all, guys, this is a quadratic equation, right? It is actually a type of equation where there are two answers for x. So we say there are two roots. So it's quadratic. It's quadratic because of the 2. It is not quadratic because of the 0. Even if I move the 0 away and I put a 10, it is still quadratic, okay? So what makes it quadratic? Right, so the square makes it quadratic. All right, now show us how we do that. First of all, you must factorize.
So I said x squared plus 4x.
And this is how she is factorizing. Ask her where she's getting that from. She understands this method, and this method is correct. She will finally use grouping. I need her to finish this, then you guys can show me your own methods. She takes the first and multiplies it by the third. So if you do this, you see that you get 8x squared. And then she looks, or she considers the second. Now the second term is 6x, do you see that? Now she needs to think about how to split 8x squared into 2 so that the 2 can add up to 6x. So 8x squared can be written as 4x. It's really the factors of 8x squared. So she now needs to think like that. So 8x squared is 4x multiplied by 2x. And the intention is to get the 6x. So that is the correct combination. So she then goes that way. So now she's factorizing by grouping. So it's x open brackets, x plus 4. Then here it's plus 2 open brackets, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now what is common between these two?
X plus 4.
X plus 4. So what now goes in here? X plus 2. All that is equal to 0. Therefore,
X plus 4 is 0.
or
X plus 2 is 0. Then I said x is equal to -4. X is equal to -2.
okay, well done. So guys, in short, you just first of all need to factorize. Now give me the factors
Of what? Of p?
of all this. What goes in here and what goes in
So
here.
x goes in the first bracket on the left hand side of the
Yeah,
equation.
give me everything inside now.
Oh, okay. So I have x minus 3 in the first bracket.
She has x minus 3
And
and
then I have x plus 1 in the other.
x plus 1. Anybody with something different?
That's number 2. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's x minus 3 and x plus 1. I don't really care how you got it right.
Okay.
I know that some of you went x squared means x times x, 3 means 1 times 3, then you check, and then so this go together and this go together. You know, the thinking that goes into this is very important. At the end, you need to get this correct. Remember, I'm not going to look for this so that I give you marks for this. I don't give marks for this. This is happening in your head. And it's good if you can write what you are thinking. Write it down somewhere neatly. But all we need is to see this. Then we can say x minus 3 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Or
X plus 1.
x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to
-1.
3 or -1.